Guess what came in the mail today? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Marissa. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about this one brand that I have been using for a while, and I love this brand so much. And you know what? I'm just going to go straight into it. Okay, so this is TTDeye. Oh, by the way, this is not sponsored. If you don't know, this is a contact lens company. These are contact lenses. I have a really dark brown eyes, and sometimes you just want to spice things up a little bit, you know. You want like a different look with your makeup and stuff. This is gonna be your new best friend. Yeah, I have been using this brand for about like 3 years, and they're very affordable. I love them so much. I have been purchasing from them for like so many times. All right, so this is what the packaging looks like. It's so very cute. I like the design of it. Like, it has like a little eye on it. It's very colorful. And then ta-da! Inside it comes with a little mirror. It's like a little pocket mirror. You can put it in your purse, carry it around. I don't know what this is. This is like their IG stuff, like TikTok, Twitter. And then it comes with, I don't know what this is. This is so cute. Like, it has like little nails. I'm sorry guys, my nails are so disgusting. I haven't had the time to do it, so bear with me. But yeah, I feel like this is a temporary tattoo. Stickers. It's very cute. And then it also comes with this little like glitter stuff. I don't know. Oh, you know what? This might be good for like rave makeup. You can just like do it on your face, like stick it on your face. This is like a little purple hearts. So cute. And then it also comes with the container to store your contact. You don't have to purchase it like separately. It comes with it. All right, so I got 3 different colors. I got one in cream gray, and then I think this is HD green, and then another one in Egypt brown, if I'm not mistaken. I forgot, but I'll try it on for you guys so you can see the difference. I'm gonna put one on like my left eye and do like a comparison. I have a super dark brown eyes. They're just, the color really shows, guys, and I love it. All right, so this is the first one that I'm gonna try on. This is in this not shade, what? Okay, this one is Egypt brown, and I got mine prescripted. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna open it up for you guys. So they come with this little applicator. I don't really use them, but it's like, I don't know. You use this to pick it up from the little container and then put it on this thing, and then you just like poke it in your eye. Okay, let's try. Let me take out my contacts first. My clear contacts first, because I am blind. It's out. I'm gonna be using the little tweezer. I don't know if I want to use the little applicator. I'll just give it a try. Okay, I don't know how to do this on camera. So basically what I'm gonna do is ow! Okay, that doesn't work. I'm just gonna use my finger because it's easier. Ooh, guys. this is Egypt brown. Let me zoom you guys in a little bit. This is without the colored contacts. And then this is with the colored contacts. Did you guys see the difference? Oh my god, it's so beautiful. It looks so natural too. Let me put on both of them and show you guys how it looks like. I've never tried this color before. It's so beautiful. Okay, so this is Egypt brown. This is what it looks like on my eyes and eyes. It's so good. It's looking very natural too. Okay, I like that. Next, I'm gonna be trying, yeah, it's HD green. That's what it looks like. I'll be right back. All right, so this is HD green. I'm zooming you guys in. So natural, guys. I've never tried this color before, but damn, this is what it looks like. This is the HD green. Like, I already knew it was gonna be this good. I already know. All right, last one. My bad. Queen gray. I'll be right back. All right, so this is the queen gray one. You can see it kind of looks similar to the other one, except this looks a little bit more blue. I like it though. So, okay, my natural eye color, and then queen gray. Wow, it looks so natural. Let me put the other one on so you can see what it looks like. It's just easier. Okay. Oh. Hello. Oh my god, I look like a totally different person. It looks blue. But yeah, I really love these contacts because they're very thin. Just like so very comfortable. I felt like nothing there. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. I will also link everything that I got in the description box down below. Unfortunately, I don't have a discount code, but they do have it in their website. You can always check them out over there. And yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.